Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting inputs live. Install your interface drivers, then open FL Studio audio settings and choose the SEO driver so latency stays low. Once done, set sample rate to 44,100 HC and buffer to 128,256 samples for stable monitoring. Next, create an audio clip or pick a mixer track, select the correct physical input, and click the track to arm it. Make sure the metronome is on if you need a tempo guide, because timing matters when comping later. Now focus on capture quality. Set input gain so peaks hit around -6 decibels on the mixer. This preserves headroom and prevents clipping. Then choose monitoring. Enable FL Studio input monitoring for simple setups, or use your interface's direct monitoring to eliminate latency. Use pre-roll and punch in /out to nail awkward sections, and record multiple takes into separate playlist lanes so you can comp them later. Also make sure any tracking plugins are CPU light. Heavy processing can introduce latency or dropouts. Finish by comping your takes. Listen through playlist lanes, select the best phrases, slice and consolidate them to a new audio clip, and add short crossfades to avoid clicks. When happy, save the project, then export as 24-bit WAV or bounce stems if you plan to mix elsewhere. Make sure the export sample rate matches your session. If you encounter clicks, dropouts, or noticeable latency, raise the buffer size, update the SEO driver, and temporarily disable heavy plugins. This usually fixes common tracking problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.